Hi guys, in this video I will make a logo with natural themes. As always, I will make this design using circle and pen tool. Well, I will start it now. First, we need to create worksheet. Click File, New. Wait a minute. On new document, we can change the width and height to 1000 pixels and select Create. I'm using my template. And now create circle using ellipse tool. Select ellipse tool over here and create circle like that. And create an object like the S to cut the circle. Maybe I will create the S object look like S using pen tool. Click here. You can follow me. Okay, that looks pretty good, but I need to adjust this line to make it look smooth. Okay, like that. And I will change the color using maybe white color. Click OK and select the circle. Go to Pathfinder and click Manage Front. Okay, and ungroup this object or separate. Right click and select ungroup. In this object I will change the color using red color. Click OK, and I will go back to select the pen tool and I will create new object to make this object looks good. Looks much better than this object. Just create object like this. Close this point and select this object, go to Pathfinder and click Manage Front here. Click this both object and click Manage Front. Okay, maybe I need to adjust this line to make it look smooth. Click on this point and click here, scroll on the top. Okay, that looks smooth. In this point 2, click this point and scroll down. Maybe this point 2 a little bit going up. Okay, like that. That looks smooth. Maybe I need to make some effect like glossy, or I add a glossy effect to this graphic to make it looks interesting. First, I will change this color using gradient color, maybe purple gradient. Select gradient tool over here and click here and scroll like this, maybe here. Okay, and select circle object, I mean ellipse tool, and create circle object. Okay, like that. Put this over here and select white gradient, select gradient tool, click here and scroll on the left, maybe a little bit here, maybe a little bit on the right. Okay, that looks good. And in this object I will change the gradient color to maybe orange gradient. Select gradient tool and click here, scroll like that. Okay guys, I hope you learned something in this video. This tutorial is very easy and you can try to create a logo design using this technique. And don't forget to click like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I update new video. And you can go to my YouTube channel in Adobe Illustrator tutorials, how to design a logo. Here is my YouTube channel. You can type this name on the YouTube search and you can watch more video tutorial. See you on the next video.